Hello. Okay, so we're writing this song. I should probably put my capo on here. Something we wrote or we're in progress of writing. And it's based off of the scripture. Pretty good. Based off the scripture, Matthew 6, starting at verse 25, and it keeps going on through to like 30 something. 34 to be exact. And bear with us. It's kind of rough right now because of the time of evening.
11:30.
Yeah.
That's late for us.
Okay. Here we go. And we're performing tomorrow. Get paid.
First paid performance. Yay! Without Sarah.
That was weird.